Have you ever noticed that airport runway lights have different colors like red, white, and green? Those colors are actually meant to communicate critical information to the pilots. I never knew airport runway do have lights, not until I watched a movie named Jewel Thief Heist Begins. So guys, stay tuned in this video as I explain to you guys the meaning of all those colors.
Mistake. सबके सब मारेंगे. कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, पूरा अंधेरा है. अंधेरे को खत्म करने रोशनी आई जाती है. There you go, Captain.
So guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel where we will share civil engineering tactics to the barest minimum anyone could understand. Now, moving on, you see those runway color lights tells the pilot where the runway starts, where it ends, and how to stay aligned during taking off and landing. So, I shall be telling you the different types of lights and what color is being used to represent these lights. So, number one is the approach lights. These lights are usually white in color and they are installed before the runway. They help pilots align the aircraft with the runway during final approach. Number two is the threshold light. Threshold light appears green when viewed by an approaching aircraft. They indicate the beginning of a runway where landing is permitted. Number three is the runway centerline lights. These lights are normally white, guiding the aircraft along the center of the runway during landing or takeoff. Number four is the runway end lights. Runway end lights are red, warning the pilot that the runway is about to end. Now to the engineering importance. You see those colored coded lighting system allows the pilot to instantly understand the runway position, alignment, the remaining distance, even in darkness or poor visibility. So those red, green, and white lights you see on the airport runways are not random. They are carefully engineered virtual signals that guide every aircraft safely during landing and takeoff. So thank you guys for watching my video till this moment, and I hope you guys find this video so helpful. If you found this video so helpful, help give this video a like, share, comment, and most especially subscribe for more construction tips. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.